Welcome back to another exhilarating video where we dive headfirst into the thrilling world of virtual reality. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to compare two heavyweight contenders in the VR arena, the highly anticipated Meta Quest 3 and the impressive PSVR 2. This review aims to be concise yet comprehensive, delivering a definitive verdict by the time the credits roll. But before we delve into the exciting showdown, we kindly ask you to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more captivating content. Without any further delay, let's immerse ourselves in this epic battle and discover which VR champion will claim victory. Strap on your headsets, folks, because the ultimate showdown begins now. Price, let's begin by examining the price points. The Meta Quest 3 makes a compelling case with its enticing $500 price tag for the 128GB model, offering a more budget-friendly option when pitted against the PSVR 2, which retails at $550. But it's not just the cost that sets these contenders apart. The Meta Quest 3 boasts a remarkable advantage in terms of hardware integration, as it houses all the necessary components within the headset itself. This means you can immerse yourself in the captivating world of VR without the need for an external device or console. On the other hand, the PSVR 2 is designed exclusively for the PS5, a console that comes with its own substantial price tag of $500. Consequently, for those who don't already own a PS5, the prospect of investing in both the console and the PSVR 2 brings the total cost to a staggering $1,050, making it a significant financial commitment, particularly for those solely seeking a VR experience. Graphics. In the realm of processing power, the Meta Quest 3 and the PSVR 2 find themselves on opposite ends of the spectrum. The Meta Quest 3 is slated to feature a next-generation Snapdragon chipset, promising a substantial boost in graphics performance compared to its predecessor. While specific details about the chipset are yet to be confirmed, Meta claims that it will offer twice the graphical prowess of the previous headset, which was powered by the Snapdragon XR2. However, even with this improvement, the Meta Quest 3 will inevitably pale in comparison to the dedicated GPU and CPU of the mighty PS5. The PS5's AMD Oberon, built on RDNA 2.0 architecture, flexes its muscle with an impressive maximum of 10.3 teraflops of power. In contrast, a Snapdragon XR2, the predecessor's chipset, offers around 1.2 teraflops. Even if the Meta Quest 3 manages to double that number, it will still only reach a fraction of the power provided by Sony's latest console. Let's not forget that the PS5 also features a separate dedicated 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor, further solidifying its dominance. To be blunt, there's no contest between a system-on-chip like the one found in the Meta Quest 3 and the raw might of a dedicated modern console like the PS5. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that this comparison is somewhat unfair. The PS5 consists of two separate pieces of hardware, while Meta has ingeniously combined both functionalities into one cohesive unit. So while the Meta Quest 3 may not match the sheer power of the PS5, it offers an innovative and convenient all-in-one solution that shouldn't be underestimated. Software. When it comes to the gaming library, the Meta Quest 3 and the PSVR 2 take divergent paths. The Meta Quest 3 boasts its own dedicated game library, accessible for purchase directly through the headset itself. On the other hand, the PSVR 2 acts as a controller and headset for the PS5, relying on the console's library of games. However, there is a significant drawback for PSVR 2 users. It lacks backward compatibility with PSVR games. While some PSVR titles have been ported over to the new model, this poses an inconvenience for users who wanted to tap into the extensive library of games accumulated over time. In contrast, the Meta Quest 3 shines as the software champion, offering seamless backward compatibility with all Meta Quest 2 titles. By opting for the new headset, you won't find yourself locked out of a vast library of games. This alone solidifies the Meta Quest 3 as a frontrunner in the software department. But the headset doesn't stop there. It goes beyond gaming and introduces exciting augmented reality capabilities. Equipped with 2 cameras and a front-facing sensor, the Meta Quest 3 allows users to engage in a wide array of actions within their physical space. The inclusion of AR features adds an extra layer of immersion and potential for innovative experiences. Display. Prepare to be captivated by the stunning displays of both the PSVR 2 and the Meta Quest 3. The PSVR 2 showcases its visual prowess with an impressive 2000 by 2040 pixel OLED screen per eye, operating at a smooth 90 Hz or 120 Hz. The sheer visual fidelity on offer truly makes it a powerhouse in the VR arena. On the other hand, while Meta has yet to officially unveil the display specifications for the Quest 3, leaks suggest it will sport a 2064 by 2208 pixel LCD display per eye, also capable of reaching up to 120 Hz. However, if these leaks hold true, the Meta Quest 3's slightly increased resolution would still fall short in comparison to the PSVR 2's OLED display. The PSVR 2's enhanced color depth breathes life into every virtual landscape, creating an immersive and mesmerizing playground for players. With its vibrant visuals, Sony's headset emerges as the clear victor in this category, promising an exceptional visual feast that will transport you to awe-inspiring realms. Games recently, both Meta and Sony hosted their respective gaming showcases, giving us a glimpse into the exciting future of VR gaming on the Meta Quest and PSVR 2 platforms. While the ultimate winner remains uncertain, we can draw insights based on what we have witnessed so far. During Meta Quest's showcase, the announcement of I Expect You to Die 3 caught the attention of VR enthusiasts. This beloved franchise offers a hilarious spy-themed experience with immersive gameplay and challenging puzzles. However, the exclusivity of the sequel to the Steam and Meta Store, excluding PlayStation, could significantly impact the purchasing decisions of fans. On the other hand, PlayStation revealed that the highly anticipated Resident Evil 4 remake will feature a free VR mode exclusively on the PSVR 2. Considering the success of the original VR version, this promises an incredible experience and showcases the graphical prowess of the PSVR 2, one of the visually stunning modern games. When it comes to game variety, the Meta Quest platforms undeniably provide a wealth of VR titles. Their recent showcase boasted numerous games, including impressive exclusives like Asgard's Wrath 2 and Horizon Call of the Mountain. In contrast, Sony's VR conference featured a more limited selection of just 5 games. The sheer quantity and quality of games available on the Meta Quest platforms make it challenging to determine which company will reign supreme in the gaming department. When it comes to the Meta Quest 3 and PSVR 2, both offer compelling advantages depending on your preferences. If having access to a larger library of games within a self-contained headset is a priority, then the Meta Quest 3 would be the ideal choice. On the other hand, if you already own a PS5 and seek enhanced performance on high-fidelity games, coupled with the allure of a gorgeous OLED screen, the PSVR 2 would be the natural option. As for our opinion, it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and priorities. Both systems have their strengths, and the decision should be based on what matters most to you as a VR enthusiast. So we would like to hear from you. Which VR system are you leaning towards? Are you more enticed by the extensive game library of the Meta Quest 3 or the performance and visual quality offered by the PSVR 2? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to hit the like button on your way out.